Perfect.
Here we go, hop in your car. Hi everyone, my name is Steve. I am the owner and installer at SNA Security Specialist in River Grove, Illinois. We specialize in car security, remote starters, and car keys. We're going to show you the different systems we use to protect vehicles from car theft. The first system is the CompuStar Alarm Remote Start with Drone. From the remote, you can lock your doors, unlock your doors, open the trunk or hatch, and remote start the vehicle. You can also get alarm alerts directly to the remote control and to the DroneMobile smartphone app. Now that the system's disarmed, you can also get all your alerts directly from your drone app, from the feed. You can also lock your doors, unlock your doors, start and stop your vehicle, and open the trunk or hatch. Plus you have the GPS tracking. You can pinch and zoom on its location. And if you look down below in the box, you can see the address of where the vehicle's at. Plus all of your alarm alerts under the activity feed. You can also get trip reports and locations. So now that you know what the CompuStar and Drone system does, we will head over to the install bay and show you the IGLA pin code system. So now that we're in the vehicle with the vehicle's key, we're going to show you what the IGLA pin code system does. Essentially what the pin code system is, it is a device that is going to require you to press a certain combination of buttons on the steering wheel in a certain order. If you do not press those buttons in a certain order, you will not be able to start this vehicle. When the vehicle's pin code system is on, you will not be able to add keys, delete keys, and steal the vehicle. We're now going to show you how the vehicle is protected should you not enter the code. If you try and step on the brake and touch the button, it will not start. As you can see, the key is right there by the shifter. It needs to see the pin code in order to start. Our temporary code is that OK button 4 times. We're going to press it, and we will get 2 confirmation flashes if successfully entered. Now we can step on the brake and start it. Once the vehicle is turned off, it only takes about 5 seconds and the device will self-arm. Should you forget to arm it from your CompuStar remote or your DroneMobile app, you will still have protection. While you have this protection on, you will not be able to access the vehicle's computer and program a key. And we're going to show you that right here. So now that we're in the menu, we're going to click on Auto Identify. And our tablet will try to communicate with the vehicle's BCM. As you can see, the vehicle just woke up and it failed to identify the vehicle. We're going to go and try buy the vehicle. Jeep, Grand Cherokee, 14 through 20, hit OK. We're going to try and read the vehicle's PIN code, and you will see that it will attempt to communicate and it will fail. That is the key to our solution. Because thieves are easily hopping in your vehicle by busting a window, plugging in the key programmer, and in about 2 minutes later, they're gone with your vehicle by simply programming a brand new key. And they do not even need your key present to do it. Once you turn off the IGLA system and put it into service mode, will be the only time that you can program a key to this car. So we're going to show you that real quick. I'm going to turn on the ignition and I'm going to enter our temporary code. Wait for 2 flashes. And we're going to put it in service mode. We're going to wait for 5 flashes. And turn off the vehicle. It is now in service mode. We are now going to go back into our menu and attempt to connect to the vehicle again. There it is. So now that we've gained access to the computer, we can go in and do what we need to do. We can add the key, check the number of keys, and do whatever it is we need to do. Not only do our security products work great on Mopar vehicles, they also work great on other vehicles, such as this Lexus. We're going to turn the ignition on. We're going to wait for the chimes to stop. We're going to enter in our PIN code. Wait for 2 beeps and 2 flashes. There it is. We're now going to step on the brake, start the vehicle. Give SNA Security Specialist a call today. Our phone number is 773-772-5424. We are located at 9017 Grand Avenue in River Grove, Illinois. You can find us on Facebook, SNA Security Specialist. You can also find us on Instagram, the PIN code Kingpin. Give us a call today and get the best solution for your vehicle.
What are you, fucking nuts?